Hello guys, how's everybody going? Today I'm going to talk about a concept called least cost path. What this means was, if you have a map, let's say, like, because every map have values, right? And you have point A and point B. So if you want to do a route or trail, what's the best way of building this trail that all these values add together, right, at the smallest or the biggest. So the computer it's really hard to do that by hand, when you have computer help you, it's gonna be really efficient and fast. This approach is actually used by a lot of planning serious landscape planning projects, like we have, like, this is like topos, right? If you have site, they will calculate what's the best way to to work a trail, a road, or something else. Okay, the most efficient way to do that. Okay, it's really important, I feel like. So this will give you another concept. If you like, if you go up the hill, it will be too much cost. Okay, so you go around them and also really close to them. Okay, so it's just different factors combined. Alright, so then I did this experiment. What I did is really easy. I got a topo. This is a topo service. It actually can be any service. It can be your suitability map. It can be a map, not necessarily about topography. It can be the value of beauty, right, or the safety, the value of safety, the value of potential business, things like that. Everything. Okay, it can be any value. Okay, so once I have that, and also I have I count another factor, which is slope, which means this case, I want, if I got this destinations, right, I want, if here to here, right, I want it to be really close. The path, I don't want it to go like too long, but also I want them to be less slope as possible. Okay, so for example, if you build a trail, you don't want to like to be go through a cliff or something like that, right? You don't want a steep slope, so want them less slope, as less as possible. This was the idea. So I built this algorithm. I include a lot of graph theory. If you notice, so graph theory, if you know, the graph theory is widely used in social network, but I feel like it's really efficient application if you use this in the spatial context. It's also really great effective way to do that. So I include some algorithm from graph theory, and then I built a network for that. Okay, so what this was is it collects all the roads between every 2 points. So every 2 points they will have a road, a path. Okay, between that, and they will calculate the best road in that's like what I said before, is close but less slope. Okay, and also you can give factors of slope importance. Okay, if the slope is really important, you can see here all the trails. You can see here all the trails will go around the big hill. Okay, they're just trying to be as less slope, as flat as possible, right? But if you make the slope not that important, you can see here they will make your trail like less distance. Okay, which means there may be some places have more slope, but the overall length of the path is the least. Okay, so secure. It really makes sense to me. Okay, if you look at it carefully, it's every trail really makes sense. Okay, just follow the topo, perfect. So I think this is a pretty good tool. we'll talk about that in detail later, and I hope you can use this tool in your project. By the way, it will be available to you. Okay, just let me know. You think, hey, I am interested in using this, then just let me know. Then we can work with it together. Okay.